Crafting the perfect proposal speech for your man can be a nerve-wracking but incredibly special moment. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks to help you create a heartfelt and memorable speech that will touch his heart. Whether you're planning to propose in a public setting or in the intimacy of your own home, a well-crafted speech will make the moment even more meaningful. Before you start writing your proposal speech, take some time to reflect on your journey as a couple. Think about the moments that brought you together, the challenges you've overcome, and the growth you've experienced together. This will help you incorporate personal anecdotes and memories into your speech, making it more genuine and heartfelt. Begin your speech by expressing your love and appreciation for your partner. Share what you admire about him, the qualities that make him unique, and how he has positively impacted your life. Let him know how much he means to you and why he is the person you want to spend the rest of your life with. In the next part of your speech, highlight the shared values and dreams that connect you as a couple. Talk about your goals and aspirations as individuals and how they align with each other's. This will show him that you not only want to be together now, but also envision a future filled with love, support, and shared adventures. Finally, it's time for the grand moment of the proposal. As you get down on one knee or present your heartfelt gesture, let your love and excitement shine through. Keep your speech concise but powerful, letting your emotions take center stage. End your speech by asking him to marry you, and let the beautiful moment unfold. Crafting the perfect proposal speech for your man is all about sharing your love, appreciation, and dreams for the future. Remember to be sincere, speak from your heart, and enjoy the journey. Good luck with your proposal, and may your love story continue to blossom.